Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa from the Luxy Hair team, and today I'm going to be talking about something that affects many people but no one really likes to talk about, and that's dandruff and an itchy, dry scalp. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the causes of dandruff, some ways to prevent it, and some home remedies for you guys to treat it. So what causes dandruff and what is it anyways? Dandruff is basically flaky, dry skin cells that come from your scalp. So many people suffer from dry skin on their body, and it's basically the same thing, just it happens on your head. Dandruff in itself is harmless, but what causes it is really worth looking into. Some people suffer from a condition called seborrheic dermatitis. This causes a combination of things like scaly dry patches, oily skin, and it really just flakes off as dandruff. This condition can also happen on other oily parts of the body, and that's not just the scalp. Brushing your hair every day increases blood flow to the scalp, and it also helps with the normal shedding of skin. Plus, it's totally relaxing. Also, shampooing your hair too often can lead to dryness in the scalp, which in turn leads to dandruff. I really love to use dry shampoo because it enables me to space out my hair washing, and in turn that leads to a happier, healthier scalp. To relieve your itchy, dry scalp, you could purchase an over-the-counter anti-dandruff shampoo or treatment, or you could go the more natural route, which I prefer, and you could do some home remedies, which I'm about to show you. Baking soda is not only amazing for baking cookies, but it is also a powerful disinfectant when it comes to cleaning anything, including your scalp. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water until you reach a paste-like consistency. Part your hair in sections, spread the paste on your scalp and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before thoroughly rinsing the mixture out. For best results, repeat the procedure regularly once or twice a week. Apple cider vinegar is a great home remedy for dandruff because it has probiotics and anti-inflammatory properties that kill viruses and yeast that cause itchiness on the skin. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water. Massage it well into your scalp and then leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with cold water. Repeat this routine regularly every few days until you start seeing your results. You can create the same mask with lemons as well. Bananas and avocados are a great dandruff treatment because they are both moisturizing, reducing the flakes, inflammation, and dryness on the scalp. Mash 2 bananas with 1 avocado and apply all over your scalp where it's itchy. Avocados are rich in antioxidants, which keep the skin cells on your scalp happy and healthy, while bananas are especially great for conditioning the scalp and hair. Plus, they smell yummy. Leave it in for at least 30 minutes. Rinse it out with cold water and repeat this regularly until the itchiness goes away. These are my top 5 ways to combat an itchy, dry scalp. As someone who suffers from eczema and dry skin, this has personally helped me a lot, so I hope I can help you. If you did like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our Luxy Hair channel. I'm really looking forward to reading all of your comments. I hope you have some tricks for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.